Hi, today we want to introduce the topic of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, plants carry out a natural process, and we will explain these steps. Before starting to explain these steps, it's important to know for that photosynthesis take place, these components are needed, which are the sun, the water, and the carbon dioxide. Now, I'm gonna explain the step number 1, which are the carbon dioxide ingress. The carbon dioxide from our planet's atmosphere enters plant leaves through the tiny pores in plant leaves and stems, facilitating the transfer of various gases and the water vapor. Now, my team partner is gonna introduce the step number 2.
Well, secondly, we have that the water gets into the leaf. This process begins when the water falls. The roots move to where the water is, which makes the roots be the first to absorb the water. Then these carry the water to the leaves through the stem, where they absorb it.
Photosynthesis. Chlorophyll production. Inside the plant there are small organelles called chloroplasts, which store the energy of sunlight. Within the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast is a light-absorbing pigment called chlorophyll, which is responsible for giving the plant its gray color. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll absorbs energy from blue and red lights, and reflects green light, making the plant appear green.
Well, the first step of the photosynthesis is that the energy derived from the sun produces the hydrogen and the oxygen. So the hydrogen is combined with carbon dioxide to make food for the plant, and the oxygen is released through the stomach. The reactions of the molecules and protons from the water produce ATP. So why the photosynthesis is important? The photosynthesis is important to living organisms because it's the number of one source of the oxygen in the atmosphere. So green plants and trees use photosynthesis to make food from sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water in the atmosphere. And so, in a conclusion, is the primary source of energy to produce food in the plants and the green trees or green area.